Good morning, dear student. I, Reshma Jain. Today, I am delivering the lecture of software architecture. In software architecture, we will discuss about architecture models. There are various types of architecture models in software architecture. First is the architectural model. Basically, architectural model, it is the type of scale model or a physical, it is the physical representation of a structure built to study aspect of an architectural design or to communicate design ideas. Software architecture involves the high level structure of software system abstractions by using decomposition and composition with architecture style and quality attributes. Basically, what we are doing in architecture model, we are making the blueprint of the proposed software, right? So different architecture models may be produced during the design process. While we are designing the software, so we can produce the different types of architecture models there. Each model present a different perspective on the architecture, right? A software architecture design must conform to the major functionality and performance requirements of the system, as well as satisfy the non-functional requirements such as reliability, scalability, portability, and availability. A software architecture must describe its group of components, their connections, interactions among them, and deployment configuration of all components. Basically, what we are doing in software architecture design, we must conform to major functionality. We must know the major functionality and the performance requirement of the system, as well as we satisfy the non-functional requirements such as reliability क्या हो गया, scalability के कितना आपका प्रोजेक्ट स्केलेबल हो सकता है, पोर्टेबिलिटी क्या होगी, अवेलेबिलिटी क्या होगी, राइट. अनदर थिंग इज सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्चर मस्ट डिस्क्राइब इट्स ग्रुप ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स, right, their connections, their interactions among them, and deployment configuration of all components, right. Now the another aspect of software architecture can be defined in many ways. We can define software architecture with the help of unified modeling language, that is UML, is one of the object oriented solution used in software modeling and design. Second way is the architecture view model, that is the 4+1 view model. In this model, in this architecture view model, it represents the functionals and non-functional requirements of software applications. Now, the third way is architecture description language, that is ADL. And architecture description language is a formal specification language. It is a formal specification language which describe the software features such as processes, threads, data, and subprograms, as well as hardware components such as processors, devices, buses, and memory. So these are the three ways. By using these way, we can define the architecture. Now go to the first way, that is the UML, Unified Modeling Language. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. It is a pictorial language used to make software blueprints. It is used to make software blueprints. UML was created by Object Management Group, that is OMG, which is created the UML. It serves as a standard for software requirements, analysis, and design documents, which are the basics for the developing a software, right? The blueprint of a system is written in it. Basically, when we are going to design the blueprint of a system, so by the help of UML, we can written in it. UML is also used for modeling non-software system. It is also used for modeling non-software system. It is a standard for building object-oriented and component-based software system. बेसिकली ये स्टैंडर्ड है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड और कंपोनेंट बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम को बिल्ड करने के लिए. UML is a notation system through which we can visualize model of the system. यहाँ पे नोटेशन सिस्टम्स होते हैं जिनके थ्रू आप विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं मॉडल्स को. इट डिस्क्राइब ओनली डिजाइन और स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ सिस्टम. ये डिजाइन बताती है सिस्टम का, सॉफ्टवेयर का आपके, और स्ट्रक्चर बताती है. यूज केस डायग्राम्स के थ्रू आप प्रपोज फंक्शनैलिटी बता सकते हैं. क्लास डायग्राम के थ्रू आप स्टैटिक व्यू एंड रिलेशनशिप को बता सकते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट डायग्राम के थ्रू टिपिक व्यू ऑफ द इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ द क्लासेस बता सकते हैं. सीक्वेंस डायग्राम के थ्रू यू कैन शो द टिपिक मैसेजेस ओवर द टाइमलाइन. Collaboration diagrams के through like sequence diagram but define the object roles. State chart diagrams, it depict the states of the object. With the help of activity diagrams, you can dynamic view like flow chart. You can make the dynamic view like flow chart. With the help of component diagram, it depicts the components, or with the help of deployment diagrams, it depicts the physical layout of the system. Now come to the another model, that is the architecture view model. It is the very first model. In this model, it is a complete basic and simplified description of a software architecture, which is composed of a multiple views for a particular perspective or viewpoint. A view is a representation of an entire system. View means basically it is a representation of an entire system from the perspective of related set of concerns. It is used to describe the system from the viewpoint of a different stakeholder, such as end user, developers, project managers, and tester. Okay. The 4+ view model was designed by Philippe Kuchen to describe the architecture of a software intensive system based on the use of multiple and concurrent views. It is a multiple view model that addresses the different features and concern of the system. It is standardized the software design documents and makes the design easy to understand by all the stakeholder, right? तो आर्किटेक्चर व्यू मॉडल्स के बारे में हमने देखा. बेसिकली ये क्या करता है, ये कंप्लीट बेसिक और सिंप्लीफाइड डिस्क्रिप्शन देता है किसी भी प्रपोज सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्चर का. एक ब्लूप्रिंट तैयार करता है ऑल पर्सपेक्टिव से आपका सॉफ्टवेयर कैसा बनेगा, कैसा दिखेगा, स्टैक होल्डर को आप प्रपोज सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में विद द हेल्प ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर व्यू मॉडल बता सकते हैं. बेसिकली व्यू क्या है, यहाँ पर व्यू इट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द एंटायर सिस्टम फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ रिलेटेड सेट ऑफ कंसर्न. It is used to describe the system from the viewpoint of different stakeholder. Different viewpoints से ये different perspective को लेकर उसका व्यू क्रिएट करके आपके स्टैक होल्डर को बताता है, एंड यूजर को बताता है, डेवलपर को, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को, टेस्टर्स को. मल्टीपल व्यू मॉडल जनरेट करके देता है, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इट प्रोवाइड अ 4 essentials व्यू. कौन कौन से 4 essential व्यू प्रोवाइड करता है? द लॉजिकल व्यू और कंसेप्चुअल व्यू. लॉजिकल व्यू में डिस्क्राइब्स द ऑब्जेक्ट मॉडल ऑफ द डिजाइन, static organization or structure of the software in its development of environment. Static modeling view deals with the functionality. Logical view static modeling view को सपोर्ट करता है, ये डील करता है फंक्शनैलिटी के साथ, और सीक्वेंस एंड क्लास एंड कम्युनिकेशन डायग्राम्स को ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है. द डेवलपमेंट व्यू क्या बताता है? ये कंपोनेंट डिजाइन व्यू बताता है टू द डेवलपर्स. कंपोनेंट एंड पैकेजेस डायग्राम्स मेक करता है, सब सिस्टम एंड सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट देता है. नाउ द प्रोसेस व्यू. In the process view, it describes the activities of the system. It captures the concurrency and synchronization aspect of the design. Task view बना के देगा, it deals with the runtime aspect of the system. Scalability and performance को देगा, activity diagram देगा, runtime environment देगा. और next है the physical view. It describes the mapping of the software onto hardware and reflect it distributed aspect. Deployment of the system, tools of the system, deployment diagrams. Now next, 4+ view model, scenario model. It is also called scenario model or use case model. The use case view has a spatial significance and it deals with the high level requirement of a system while other views details. This view model can be extended by adding one or more views called scenario view or use case view for end user or customer of the software system. Basically, it is a coherent with other 4 views and are utilized to illustrate the architecture serving as a plus one view model. The following figure describe the software architecture using 5 concurrent view model. So this is all about a 4+1 view model. This is the diagram. In the logical, there are 4 views: the logical view, development view, physical view, process view. Now the process view is interact with the physical view, and logical view interact with the development view further interact with the physical view, and logical view again interact with the process view. The process decomposition, object-oriented decomposition, subsystem decomposition in the development view, physical view mapping the software to hardware. So this is all about the software architecture model. Thank you all.